Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I am going to be laminating my own eyebrows with a kit I used to lift my eyelashes a couple of months ago. Back in the summer, Diaryofabeautygeek got in touch with me asking if I'd be interested in receiving their kit in exchange for doing a review video. I did. I said yes, obviously, receive the kit. I did my video. I'll pop it down in the description if you're interested in taking a look. And I honestly thought it wouldn't work. You might be able to see I have got hardly any lashes. They're very thin, they're very straight, and yeah, they're not the best lashes at all. So I wasn't expecting it to work, in all honesty, but I was completely and utterly shocked. Yes, you know, they didn't give me massive eyelashes because they're not going to change their length, but they honestly did look so much better after lifting, because it lifts right from the roots upwards. Oh, I was really impressed. So I thought I'd come on now and do my eyebrows this time. It doesn't save you to do your eyebrows, but I just thought, you know what? Let's do it. Let's see. I've got hardly any eyebrows anyway. The worst case scenario, a few of them come out maybe. I don't know. I hope not, but yeah. You will see. The kit is natural and irritant free. They say that each lash lift will last between 6 to 8 weeks, and in all honesty, with me it lasted a little bit longer. I was still impressed by the time it got to 2 months later. I couldn't believe it, and I think I did it in around August time, so it's only a couple of months ago really that I noticed that, oh okay then, they've gone back to normal now. I've lost all the information that I had for the first video, but I will put links in the description if you're interested in this, and also I'll pop up the price of the kit as well. And yeah, there's always discounts going on, but I really recommend it, especially if you've got really short straight lashes like myself. Yeah, definitely recommend it. Can't say yet whether I'd recommend it for my eyebrows, but we will soon find out. So going through each step, I'm going to try and remember and do it for my eyebrows now. It does tell you on the back here. See, it's got all the tips there on the back, so I'm going to follow it as if I'm following it onto my eyelashes. I started putting makeup on my face, and then I thought, you know what, I am going to do my brows today. I've been meaning to do it for a long time. So yeah, so I have got a little bit of makeup on my face. I might look a bit weird to you. But yeah, bit of makeup on my face, but I made sure not to put it there. So I'm going to clean it with a cleanser. I just got a little cloth here, and then I've got to wait until it dries. I'll zoom in once I start applying the fixer and everything. Ooh. Now the next step would be to pick a pad, but these are for your lids, so I'm not going to be doing that. I've got to apply the adhesive to the lash pad. I'm not going to be doing that, so oh no, I'm going to apply the adhesive to the tops. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'll apply the adhesive all over my eyebrows, wait for about 20 to 30 seconds, then comb it into shape. Apply more adhesive if needed until they are all stuck down, or stuck up in my case, and then I've got to let dry. Using a cotton bud, apply a line of Perm lotion along the lower half of your lashes. Lash root. Oh my gosh, this is a bad idea, isn't it? This is a bad idea. I'm just going to have to put the Perm lotion all over my eyebrows. Do not attempt this at home. Disclaimer, do not attempt this at home. If you apply the Perm lotion all over the lashes or eyebrow hairs, they will come unstuck. So that's why you should only apply it to the roots of your lashes. So I don't know what to do there. I'm going to apply it all over, and then you stick cling film over it. Leave it on for 12 to 15 minutes depending on the thickness. I'm going to leave it on for 10, 8 maybe, and hopefully it'll work that way. Remove the Perm lotion with a cotton bud without touching the tips of your lashes. Then repeat the same process with the fix lotion. Cover with cling film and wait another 8 minutes. Okay, so that's the adhesive. Dearie me. Okay. Give you a good close-up of my eyebrows before I begin. Yeah. A mixture of age, underactive thyroid, over plucking and all that. So yeah, right, I've got a mirror here, so I'm going to be looking down, but hopefully you'll be able to see. Oh, I remember now from last time, this little brush is small, so I've got to be really, really quick. I've done soap brows with my eyebrows and it does make a huge difference. I really, really like it. Okay, it's drying down, so using a spoolie. They have got their own brushes, but I don't like them. No stragglers. Go on, brush them all up like that. Oh my word. No, see, it's drying. It's drying. See, I'm using the ones from the kit now, the brush from the kit. And they didn't work very well for my eyelashes, but they're working well here. Okay, I don't want them spiking there, so let's get a little bit of a shape going on. There. Gotta leave it to dry, and then I've got to put the perm lotion on. See, I need a bigger brush. But I suppose, you know, this isn't made for eyebrows, is it? Going straight in with one of these now. Oh gosh, it's hard. Shape that one a little bit, but keep it quite spiky looking. I'm sweating. I am sweating. I'm not gonna lie. I am nervous. Now, do they look sort of even? Okay, they feel dry. Perm time, is it perm? I'm going to read it just in case. Using a cotton bud, apply a line of perm lotion along the lower half of your lashes, lash root area. If you apply it all over your entire lashes, they will become unstuck. This is the problem. Yeah, it just smells like perming lotion. I used to be a hairdresser, and yeah, brings me back to the days of perms. Alright then, here goes, here goes. Now I've got to stick this down really quickly. So there's that one. I've got to do the other one quickly. What's the time? Okay. It's a little bit tingly. It is a little bit tingly. I'm going to leave it for 8 minutes. What do you think? 8 minutes? Right, they've had 8 minutes now. This one is looking pretty red. It's a little bit tingly. This one is completely fine. It's just because I scratched it earlier on. So I'm going to take them off. Oh, okay. Oh my word. Ooh. Next step, remove the perm with a cotton bud without touching the tips. Repeat with the fix lotion. I'm going to remove with a cotton pad like this. I always go red. I haven't got sensitive skin, believe it or not, but I do tend to go red after I've applied like face masks and things like that, as you normally would. But no, this eye, that eyebrow looks really red. Alright then, now on to fixing. Put some fix. I hope this won't sting. I was a bit slapdash with the amount of perm solution I put on. No, this one doesn't sting at all. You can tell I'm nervous because I'm quiet. It's not stinging so far. It says wait for 8 minutes. So shall I leave for, say, 6 maybe? Okay. Take them off. Whee. Using the cleanser. Cleanse the eyebrows. Feels nice actually. And then I've got some nourishing oil. Lastly, some nourishing oil, which I put in a clean little brush in, comb them up. Whoa, again, excessive. See, there's no need for this much. Oh. I actually did start off doing beauty therapy, but I've always been the same. When it comes to me, I'm very, very slapdash. Other people, I'm fine. Professional. It's still quite red, isn't it? This one's fine though. They look completely and utterly bonkers. They do. They just look like I've just drawn loads of like weird lines over my eyebrows. They look completely bonkers, but the aim for me doing this is so that I've got a thicker shape to fill in. So yeah, and I love the fluffiness here. Love the fluffiness there. It's been about an hour and I've just done the school run, so yeah, it feels fine. It feels completely fine. They do feel a little bit crispy. I'm really impressed with how they've come out. You can see there, now that the redness has toned down, you can see where I scratched. A little bit there and a little bit there. I'm such a plonker. But yeah, look. So what I would do to shape them would be like this. There. Oh, I love it. I can't wait to fill it in. Fluffy as possible there, and then smoothing then to the outer edges. I am really, really chuffed. I'm going to go and fill them in. I'm not going to fill them in too much. I'm just going to thicken up this area here. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on and I'll be back. As you can tell, I've just filled in one of my eyebrows and I wanted to show you the difference. Filling in this eyebrow took less than 5 minutes. It normally takes me about 10 minutes or so to do my eyebrows. There's a lot of faffing around, getting the shape, filling in little hairs, pushing it in place and everything, but no, this is so quick. I wanted to strengthen up the bottom. As you can tell here, it's quite patchy, but also I wanted to bring it down a little bit as well, but I didn't want it to look too fake. And then I just wanted to smooth this area here. I absolutely love the way it looks at the top. I really, really love it. I am so chuffed. I am so chuffed with that. It's all trial and error, isn't it? So I'm going to go off now and do the other eyebrow. I really love this eyebrow. I think it is really, really lovely. I can push it up and then smooth it over. I think that is really, really nice. I think I need to fill in a little bit more there. Just a little bit, but again, I love the way it comes across. I love the sort of wispiness here. I really, really do like it. 2 weeks have passed, so I thought I'd do an update. Oh my word. Where do I begin? I've lost some hairs. I'll zoom in a minute. I've lost some hairs. I went through a really dodgy first week. They felt so crispy and hard and they just felt like they were just going to break off any second. I was trying to put like balms and things on them just to keep them on my skin, but I went and had my nails done and they suggested I put conditioner, and that is a huge saver. Oh my gosh, they feel a lot better. Besides the feel and besides some of the hairs going, I have absolutely loved doing my eyebrows in the morning. Oh my gosh, so easy, so easy. So that's what they look like to feel. They feel fine here and they feel really crispy here still. I've lost hair from here. I haven't got a lot of eyebrows to begin with, but this one was always the thinnest one. It's thinned out even more now on the outer corners. But yeah, this one, there was a steady line there, but no, this hair's gone from there. Just by brushing them up, they just stay put. They just stay put, no problem. And it's this particular area that I really, really like. And this one then, would I do it again? Oh, see, part of me really loves it, but no, I don't think I'll ever do it. If I was to have it done again, I would go to a salon and pay them to do it for me. So bottom line, this was an experiment that didn't go quite to plan. and I won't be doing it again. I'll stick to doing my own eyelashes. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Please let me know if you've ever laminated your eyebrows yourself. How did it turn out? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.